Do you know how W&H's new Proxeo Ultra Scaler got its name? Of course, but that's not the only reason. The new Proxeo Ultra Scaler is above all ultra brilliant, for many reasons. First, ultra rapid changing of the tip. The tip can be screwed on or off with just one turn. Click and done. Second, ultra ergonomic design. The handpieces are ergonomic and perfectly balanced, giving me the best possible access to places that are hard to reach, and the W&H LED technology ensures optimal lighting too. The thin, lightweight hose allows the handpiece to be turned easily. Third, ultra-flexible application. The wireless foot control gives me total freedom. I can move around as much as I want. The device itself is slim and takes up very little space, so I can put it wherever I need it. Fourth, ultra-safe for every patient. W&H scalers are suitable for patients with pacemakers. This ensures complete safety for the patient and myself. Fifth, ultra easy to handle. The adjustment of the new Proxeo Ultra Scaler is ultra smooth. It has a large tank, a practical fill level detector, and each element is ultra easy to clean. Sixth, ultra versatile to suit every treatment. W&H also offers a wide range of tips. That means I am ideally prepared for every kind of treatment. And I also think it looks ultra great.